your Armoury Crate RGB is stuck on white, and the rainbow and color cycle modes aren't working. This guide will fix that right now. First, we need to ensure the core Armoury Crate services are running correctly. Open your Windows services, find any entries related to ROG or Aura, and restart them. Sometimes these background processes just need a nudge to communicate properly with your hardware. If restarting doesn't bring back the color, the problem might be with the software installation itself. This leads us to method 2, a clean reinstallation. You'll want to uninstall Armoury Crate entirely, then use the official Aura Cleaner tool to remove all residual files, reboot your PC, and then download and install the very latest version. Before we jump into that, though, if your RGB is acting up, it's always a good idea to update your graphics card drivers. Outdated drivers can sometimes cause conflicts with lighting control software. So, head to Device Manager, find your GPU, and select Update Driver. If those steps don't resolve the white light issue, the problem is likely corrupted temporary files. Method 4 involves clearing the Armoury Crate cache. Close the application, navigate to your SCI program data folder, and delete the Aura or Armoury Crate related folders, then restart your PC and test the RGB effects again.